In this video, I will show you how to download Photoroom. To download Photoroom on iPhone, just open the App Store and tap the search icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the search bar, type in Photoroom. When it pops up, tap Get to download. Or if you've downloaded it before, you will see a little cloud icon instead. Click that. Once it's done installing, just tap Open. And you're all set to start editing. And that's how to download Photoroom.